Good morning, people. Welcome back to the channel. Plain and simple, I need your help. Stay tuned. So basically, what I need is you guys to give me some advice, some good sound advice on my 954. So as much as she's beautiful, a few little things are starting to appear. So if you look on the swing arm, it's all starting to go pitted. So I don't know whether the best way to deal with that, is there a solution where I can clean that up and bring it back? If so, let me know. That's the first thing. The second thing, as I'm now getting older, I basically need to have a little bit more comfort in my life. So I want to fit some bar risers to this. Now, myself and my mate Dan have done a bit of research, and up to about 25mm you should be okay without having to adjust any sort of brake lines, etc, etc. So yeah, point me in the right directions for 25mm bar risers. I've done a bit of googling, so I just need a bit of advice and a bit of help and how to clean that, how to get that swing arm back to looking as good as it can. I'll take all the advice on board, and then there'll be a video of me doing the work. When I say me, I mean the other mate Dan, who's my garage manager, shall I say. Love you, Dan, you know that. So that's where we are, guys. So put some advice down below, send me some messages, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. It doesn't cost you nothing, but it's going to help me grow the channel. So yeah, let's do some garage work on the Fireblade and let's get it looking back to where it should be. So yeah, throw your comments at me, people. Nice one. I'll speak to you soon. Cheers, guys. Bye bye.